The people of Ireland are like living poetry, carrying centuries of history in their laughter and song. They're known worldwide for their warmth and friendliness, often greeting strangers as if they were old friends. Hospitality is a deep tradition, and visitors often remark that Irish homes feel like their own. Storytelling is a national treasure, with tales of fairies, warriors, and myths passed down through generations. The Irish love music, and traditional instruments like the fiddle, tin whistle, and bodhran are still played with passion. Dance is equally important, with Irish step dancing famous across the globe. The Riverdance phenomenon brought Irish dance to international stages. Language is a symbol of identity, and while English is dominant, the Irish language, Gaelic, is cherished. In Gael-talked regions, Gaelic is spoken daily, keeping heritage alive. The Irish are proud of their literary giants, such as James Joyce, W.B. Yeats, and Oscar Wilde. Poetry and literature are woven into everyday life. Humor is another hallmark, with witty jokes and playful banter common in pubs. The pub itself is more than a place to drink, it is a social hub. Friendship and community thrive in these cozy spaces. Sports are central to Irish life, especially Gaelic football and hurling. Hurling is one of the fastest field games in the world. Rugby also unites the nation, with passionate fans filling stadiums. The Irish are deeply connected to nature, loving green landscapes and rugged coastlines. Walking, hiking, and exploring the countryside are favorite pastimes. Family bonds are strong, with traditions passed lovingly from parents to children. Religion has shaped Irish identity, with Catholicism historically dominant. Festivals like StPatricksDay showcase Irish pride worldwide. St. Patrick's Day is celebrated not only in Ireland, but across continents. Food traditions include hearty dishes like Irish stew and soda bread. Potatoes have long been a staple of the Irish diet. Tea is a beloved drink, often shared during conversations. The Irish diaspora is vast, with millions of descendants abroad. Irish Americans, Australians, and Canadians keep ties to their roots. Emigration shaped Ireland's history, especially during the Great Famine. Despite hardships, resilience defines the Irish spirit. They are known for optimism, even in difficult times. Music festivals and cultural events bring communities together. The Irish love festivals like Flé Kyo, celebrating traditional music. Arts and crafts, including knitting and weaving, remain popular. The Irish are proud of their Celtic heritage and symbols. The shamrock is a national emblem linked to St. Patrick. Claddagh rings symbolize love, loyalty, and friendship. Folklore includes leprechauns, mischievous fairies guarding pots of gold. Legends of giants and heroes inspire imagination. The Irish are passionate about education and learning. Universities like Trinity College Dublin are world-renowned. The Book of Kells is a treasured manuscript of Irish art. Irish people value conversation and storytelling above all. They often say, "There are no strangers here, only friends you haven't met." Generosity is a defining trait of Irish communities. The Irish abroad often form close-knit groups. They celebrate their heritage wherever they go. Music sessions in pubs are spontaneous and joyful. The Irish accent is admired for its lyrical sound. Different regions have distinct accents, from Dublin to Cork. The Irish are adventurous travelers, curious about the world. Yet they always carry Ireland in their hearts. They are proud of their flag, symbolizing peace and unity. Green represents Catholics, orange Protestants, and white peace between them. The Irish cherish peace after centuries of struggle. They are known for their activism and fight for justice. Kindness, humor, and resilience define their character. The people of Ireland remain unforgettable, leaving a mark on everyone they meet.